Last weekend, I got 25 articles of clothing for under $50. I hit up a thrift store that was running a bring your own bag sale. The deal, whatever you can fit into a grocery bag, just costs $15. The first thing that I jammed into this bag was this black dress top. Perfect and comfortable silky tank for any occasion. Because I was challenging myself to get the most bang for my buck, I tried to stay towards the thinner fabrics, like these silky, satiny materials that were really easy to bundle up and put in the bag. I was really drawn to the patterns of these two shirts, and I was also really drawn to just the cut of this shirt in particular. The sale was so perfect, not just because it was so affordable and great for the community, but it was also just a cool way to dip my toes into other colors that I don't normally wear. I never normally wear this bright blue, but I really like it. Anybody that knows me isn't going to be shocked with this next sweater with the butterfly in the middle. I love butterflies. I actually have a butterfly tattoo behind my ear, and this sweater is just so comfortable. I felt so confident and so cute in it. And honestly, I counted the number of items that I got in this $15 sale. I managed to jam pack 19 articles of clothing into that grocery bag. And yes, I did have to use a spare because I broke the first one. This dress shirt is so beautiful and the fabric feels so smooth and soft. I also brought home this lime green dress shirt. I just thought it was really vibey and gave me like coastal vibes, if that makes any sense. Now, the fun thing about dress shirts is that you can style them so differently, from a tie to a simple button up or a simple button down with the cuffs rolled up. Now, this next shirt I wasn't completely sold on when I looked at it, and it was kind of giving me yeehaw vibes, but when I put it on, it was so smooth and the fabric was really nice. Same with this shirt. I wasn't crazy about it and I didn't really like it when I saw it at first, but I figured if I can stuff it in this bag, then I'll bring it home, and if I truly don't like it, which I ended up liking it in the end, then I can just simply give it away to somebody else. I shockingly don't have a denim blouse, and I feel like that is very much in my wheelhouse, so I had to pick this one up. It's very painter. It gives me that kind of vibe. Now, I love this blouse so much. I am such a pattern and puffy sleeve girly, and this blouse had the best of both worlds. This next shirt was a little bit more form-fitting than I usually wear, but honestly, it's just a really flattering cut, and it's actually sparkly. It doesn't really come across in the videos so much, but you know a girl loves her sparkles, and you know this girl loves her sparkles. Now, this sweater I was really excited about, and even though the frog and mushroom were kind of peeling off, I have plans for it. This ombre blue teal sweater was also giving me beach vibes, coastal vibes, something that I can wear at the cottage when it's cold and chilly at night. Now, I'm honestly not crazy about this dress. It is a size bigger than I usually wear. However, with this little cover up, it actually is kind of a vibe. I like it a lot. I think it's really flattering, and I just love this cover up because I need one anyways. Now, we all know you can never go wrong with a little black dress, and this little black dress was so flattering when I put it on, and shockingly, it was one of my last choices, and I told myself, like, no, I don't think I'll wear it, and are you kidding? This is literally my style. This is so perfect. It gives Jess from New Girl vibes, and not only do I love New Girl, but I also love Friends, and I feel like this sweater dress was giving me Rachel from Friends back when she used to work at Ralph Lauren, and I just think it's really chic, but it's also really simple and really comfortable. Now, this little number, I honestly don't know how to style it. The fabric itself is so smooth and silky, and it is vintage, and I really want to wear it, but I just don't know how. I also got this cover up. This one really reminds me of Tanya from White Lotus. I remember when I was watching White Lotus for the first time, and I told my friend, like, oh, I just want to be Tanya. I just want to dress like Tanya, aka Jennifer Coolidge. And my friend was like, girl, you can dress like whoever you want, and you can dress how you want because you're an adult. Now, these two blouses, guys, I got these for free, as well as the jeans that I've been wearing for this entire video. I got these 3 pieces of clothing for free. That's right, FREE, for free. The fabric that these blouses were made of felt like really high quality, so I'm really happy that I picked these up. So at a different thrift store, I found this sweater that I couldn't leave behind. This one was $20, and again, it's just the perfect cottage summer sweater. Now, I wanted to save best for last. This sweater I really couldn't leave behind. It was only $15 at the same thrift store where I got the 19 articles of clothing for $15, and again, I couldn't say no to this sweater because of the absolutely adorable painted illustration. I couldn't resist. That brought my total to 25 clothing items for $50, which works out to about $2 per item for this entire wardrobe. So let me know if you like this style of video and if you want more thrifting tips and tricks, and also let me know what article of clothing was your favorite.